I want to double check that everyone from the Lead 7 community can see my screen because I am absolutely pumped and stoked to be here. Unfortunately, Lee, as sometimes as usual for him, is putting out fires. He's saving kittens from burning houses and trees. So he's unable to be here because he still has his he's still serving his country, which is not the U.S., but it's the U.K. Yeah, saving people from different fires. So he let me hold down the fort for everyone and show you something really cool on the 360 video side. So give me a big hello if you can hear me. I just want to double check. I want to make sure. I want to see who is in the room today, and we're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna get we're gonna get into it. I am very, very stoked to be here. All right, perfect. Now, what I'm gonna be talking about today is an absolute revolution when it comes to video, and this is 360 video. Now, I don't know if you know much about 360 video, and I want to get some feedback. Let me know, give me a yes or a no if you've ever seen a 360 video. But when it comes to your arsenal, when it comes to implementing for your clients, for your sales, funnels, when it comes to adding this into your own video marketing, is the next level, and this is the revolution. So what I want to see, I see a couple people saying yes, and also saying on the real estate home tour side, we're going to cover that. So when we talk about 360, I'm not just talking about 360, I'm talking about personalization, I'm talking about interactivity. We're going to be showing you a new form of a video tonight, and it's going to culminate in 360 video, but we're going to start with basic, and I want to call it basic, but it's really not basic. It's actually cutting edge even on that front, video personalization. And look, we have a $497 program that we sell around 360 video, and what I'm going to do is, if what I show you today doesn't shock you, look, I'm going to give that to you for completely free. And now no one's ever taken me up on that offer, because I know when I make that commitment, it's a pretty significant commitment. And what we're going to be talking about today is something called video remix. Now, when it comes to video personalization, so let's take it a few steps back, and let's start with video personalization. Also, before I continue, I do need your commitment, and I want a 1 if you can commit to following the examples, to being interactive, because this is interactive. You're not going to be able to miss the whole point. Better for you to probably not be here and to close this down and to do something else. I don't know, go call up a client or watch TV or something like that. But if you do, you're going to experience something absolutely revolutionary, especially if you've never been on a session with me. Then this is going to be pretty freaking cool. So let's go ahead and let's jump into it. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is video personalization, and what happens when you add this level of personalization. Well, companies like SwitchMerge report a 1,025% increase in click-through rate. That is significant. That's over a 10x improvement. Now, when we look at companies, this is not your mom and pop shop. These aren't small-time marketers. These are companies like Security First Insurance that you see case studies from. It's companies like Playboy using it. It's companies like Mercedes, Audi, huge companies, and they have very significant budgets. Now, when you look at clicks, it's 55% versus 20%. Once again, significant engagement, longer view times, 2x more. And the stats continue, a 44% boost in sales. And like I said, this is not just some type of marketer sending this from his garage. These are serious results. Over 52,000 links to personalized videos. And when you have that big of a sample, it's very significant. It's very statistically significant. Now, what I want to ask, and these statistics go on and on and on. I could probably spend the whole time with you here. Now, who would like a copy of this infographic? Give me a yes if you would want this to use with your clients, to sell marketing services, to be able to make the case appealing, I would say, which is very important. When you're selling video, you need to have that edge, and it's extremely essential. So if I get enough yeses in that question box, then I might go ahead and give it to everybody. But I do need enough yeses in that question box. Like I said, I want to make this extremely interactive and extremely engaging. All right, let's go ahead and get it. Now, if you go to this link, it's videoremix.io/cool bonus. That's videoremix.io/cool bonus. Let me go ahead and put that into the question box. All right, and then you're going to be able to get that bonus. Really and I love it about as well. So that app, see at or 40 or 50. Reason is because it's one once it's done. So we're gonna one once you have they're charging between $21,000 and $65,000 per year. $21,000 to $65,000 a year. Now that's significant, ladies and gentlemen. Very significant. And we like to do this because when we can figure this out, we understand we're sitting on a gold mine. And we're approaching a high ticket niche. And if we can go into a high ticket niche and think about it, right? Even if, just think about it, even if you can charge 1/10 of that, it's still very significant. We're around $6,000 per year. And if you have a superior technology, but that's the thing, your number one takeaway is that for abnormal results, you need to be ahead of your competition. If you're going to go in, and I hope everyone understands this, but if you're going to go in, to a lawyer, to a dentist, or whoever, and you're going to start talking to them about SEO services, what are they going to do? I hope, let me get some feedback. What are they going to do? You're going to start talking about SEO services. Have they heard it before? Because they've been pitched on this and over again. And it's not even that it's not going to drive results for them. Your SEO services, you might find you might get them even past page 1 of Google, I don't know, directly in front of all their customers, getting them a ton of leads, but because they've been bothered about it so much, it sucks. and you're not gonna get the foot in the door. Now, when you come in with something along the lines of what I'm going to show you, it's absolutely night and day difference. It's pretty crazy. So let's just jump into an example. I'm sure you're tired of hearing me talk, and let's make this actually happen. You guys want to see an example? I hope every single person right here is ready, because like I said, I'm going to make it very, very interactive. So what I need you to go to is videoremix.io/Volvo. That's videoremix.io, and I'm going to send that out, okay? And like I said before, it's crucial that you go there right now. And the reason is because this is very interactive, and you need to be able to understand it. Now, let's go ahead. Let's jump in. What I'm going to show you now is personal. The stories that you've ever seen, and it's a personalized one. So someone please give me your name and your email address, and I'm going to put it in here, and then we're going to take it from there. Okay? So, all right, I see. Let's do that. Let me see. Okay, Derek, perfect. So, Derek, I will get you. Let's see. What is it? Derek at leatherneck.com. Okay, and we're going to be personalizing this video for Derek. Now, Derek, this video story, it's not just a regular video. This is a video that's your video. And if it's Jillian, if it's Bob, it's a video for Bob, and it weaves in you into that video story, completely changing it, not just being a commercial now, not just being a video, but being your video. And when you can do that, that's what I was talking about when I was talking about those statistics. I think you can start seeing why your engagement goes up by 2x, why your open rates, your click-through rates, everything skyrockets when you have these types of videos. So if you think that's cool, give me a cool into the question box. And honestly, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Okay, so let's keep on going into it. Once again, I was saying about charging those high ticket prices, and if you want to be charging high ticket prices, for example, we did some additional research, and this was actually from someone on a webinar, and they said, look, look at the potential, $1,500 per month. And like I said, I'm not even talking about the technology that I'm going to show you that really has access to. And and it looks revolutionary, and you're going to be able to shock local businesses with it and get a lot of significant deals, but it's a very simple process. I'm talking about a 3-step process: importing and editing your videos, tagging them for multiple things, and then distributing them, emailing them. And cool, it's not going to be only distributed by email. It's going to be distributed through other channels as well. And you can personalize for multiple things, whether it's for names, whether it's for an image, or if it's for an email. And the best part is that when Emma sees this video, she's going to see a completely different video story compared to Lisa, compared to Matt, compared to John. And every single person gets their own personalized video story. Now, do you want to see image personalization? I want to see. Does anyone want to see image personalization? All right. So maybe you've heard of someone called maybe you have Neil Napier. I don't know. Maybe yes, no. It doesn't really matter, but he is a product creator in this space, and so if we go, I'm going to show this to you. And this video right here that we created is now personalized for Neil. And it's Neil's video story. And you'll see in the middle, a part of that video story. But next thing you know, it's not just his name, but it's actually him right there on the right side, personalized completely for Neil. And then we go to videoremix.io, and I'm going to go and show you another one. And this one now, like I said, is for G. And this is G's video story. So it's not Neil anymore, but it's G right there, Willie, right in the middle of that story. And once again, it's not just his name, it's not just his email, but it's him right there on the right side. So you have Neil right there, and then you have G, Willie, right there in the middle, and every single person has their own different video story. So if that's pretty cool, if that's pretty cool, hope you're getting excited, because, like I said, this is just the tip of the iceberg. And then we could start jumping into 360 video. But I don't necessarily want to go into 360 video, because that's kind of the next level. And we still got to stay with the basics. But the additional thing that we've been working on is actually the only live 360 video editor, where you can combine, you can add lower thirds, call to actions to these 360 videos as well. So the personalization I've showed you, that's regular personalization. But then a 360 video, it's a completely different experience, and it's something that I'm going to show you as well as we go through this entire training session, so that you can understand 360 video, and especially when it comes to real estate. And I already saw a couple people mentioning it in here. You said real estate, oh, 360 video, real estate, virtual tours, and those are really powerful when it comes to 360, and they are. But if you want to have next level 360 video, once again, that is something that we're going to be going over. For example, 2 side-by-side 360 videos of a before and after when you remodel something, so that you can have 2 multiple ones. And you can't do that, right? In YouTube, you can't have 2 videos side-by-side. But if you have the first ever 360 video editor, then you could do that. If you're an interior designer, that's perfect. Also in real estate, if you're showing something like before and after, maybe you're flipping houses, whatever you're doing, then it's very powerful. Or your clients are doing it, and you can offer it to your clients. All right, and so let's go into it. And here are more examples of on that 360 side, and it gets pretty powerful. Now, before we get into that, I think I'm going to circle back. What I first want to do, let's take it a few steps back. I wanted to get you excited, but let's take it a few steps back. Do you want to see how ground? Okay, so let's go back to the basics, and let's make that happen. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in to Video Remix right now. Okay, let me go ahead and let me do that. videoremix.io/login, and let me get in, and let's start taking it from here. Now, so when I log in, I press submit, log in. Now the first thing that I'm going to see are these different templates. And the cool thing about these templates is, so when we were figuring out how to best structure everything, I was telling my team, our team in Russia, our development team, saying, hey, look, you know, this is very powerful, but I want to have a lot of templates, even for myself, because I like working off of templates. It makes things much, much easier when I can have already, for example, maybe one of these projects already pre-done. If you look, for example, on the Longtail Pro side, then I just select Remix here, and now I can leverage that project and have something very significant that I can work off of. And as you could see right here, but there are templates and other things. A lot of them are lower third templates, but right here, drop mock, coffee, one, which is pretty cool. And I think everyone on here probably has DropMock. Am I correct? Give me a 1 if you're in DropMock, if you have DropMock. So one of the things, we're very, very good friends with Lee. So of course, what did we do when we were first masterminding this? We wanted to make sure that we're very integrated with Lee and we're integrated with all of his platforms, meaning DropMock and things of that nature. So right here, like I was showing you, that I think you recognize, for example, this mock, and I'll show you of minutes, but the main thing understand is that we do have all of these templates within that solution. Now, do you want to see how to, because one of the things that, and I'm going to select create new project, one of the things that people I think miss, and it's very unfortunate, but we get caught up, and even in myself, I get caught up in all this excitement about 360 video, and for example, who can benefit from doing deals on the 360 video side, on the video personalization side. But when we built Video Remix, the foundation, the fundamental thing was that it's a video editor. It's a cloud-based video editor. So what I want to ask, and you have right here, right? You have this timeline where you can go ahead and import all of your projects and import media elements from YouTube, and I'm going to show all that to you. But do you want to see, and you can even time me, how to create a video literally from scratch within the next 15 seconds? How to create something from scratch within the next 15 seconds. Okay, and take a look. All right, so let's go to Elements quickly, select Image, go to Flickr Slideshow, 10 images right here, and I'm going to make that end, let's say, after 10 seconds, and then I'm just going to search for a tag. And let's say that tag is Audi. Okay? Check this out. A basic video. Let's say if you're going to go out there and try to get a client or something like that, and we have an Audi video. And if I want to do Mercedes, then check this out. Okay? Then we have also all these different Benzes that we can create a pretty cool video out of. All right, so that was how to go ahead and create these basic videos literally from scratch within a lot of niches, even local niches, and we curate these videos, and it's a really cool way to get up and running. If you need something quickly for a client, you need a quick client demo, then that's the way to do it. All right, let's go ahead now and let's check out some more advanced functionality. This is where we start getting more advanced. So the first thing I want to do, let's do another example. All right, and this example is videoremix.io/LTP. That's videoremix.io/LTP. And who on here is familiar with Longtail Pro? Hopefully a lot of people. I'd say it's probably going to be 50-50, maybe, yeah? Okay, so give me a yes or no. And so one of the things that people don't know is we actually buy businesses as well. We're in that market, so we buy and sell businesses. And Longtail Pro was the first deal that we ended up doing it. And someone always says in the comment box, I own it. The cool thing is we could say we actually own it because we actually own the company. We don't own it just ourselves, but we are equity holders, but we don't operate it because we can only be so good at operating one thing, and that's why we're devoting all of our energy to Video Remix and continually scaling it up. Now, so is everyone here? Is everyone at videoremix.io/LTP? videoremix.io/LTP. I just want to make sure. Yes. All right, let's go ahead and let's see another example. Now, please, can someone give me another email address? But rather than the email address, give me And give me a keyword you want to rank for, okay? And a keyword, okay? Bars where? Carl, what's your city? I'm gonna put Carl here, okay? Carl at Gmail. Bars in what city, Carl? Carl wants to do bars, so let's do bars. I don't know, Atlanta, okay? Cool. And we select get started here. And check this out, okay? Check this out. So, and I hope everyone already did that and entered their information. Now, this Carl's personalized video story. Now, of course, Carl is weaved into the video, but we already showed you that before. Now, the cool thing is his keyword that he selected is weaved in to that video story. And so this video is not just the sales video for Longtail Pro, a software, but it turns the video into what Longtail Pro can do for Carl and how Longtail Pro can help Carl rank for his top keyword. And it completely changes the feel and experience of this entire video. So if you think that was cool, give me a cool again. I want to get some additional energy flowing through here. And the reason is because I'm going to go ahead and now dive in and dissect this. Okay? I will go ahead and dive in and dissect this right now. So right here, what we have is, like I said, there is a timeline because this is a regular video editor, cloud-based, which most video editors aren't cloud-based, but this is all cloud-based. We wanted to make sure everything is cloud-based. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube, and we're going to select a media element. Okay, and so let's go ahead and let's, for example, do keyword research. Okay, and let's. I like this one. This is my favorite keyword research video. It's kind of a funny one. It's a good one to do an example around. So let's go ahead and let's paste this media element here, and we select Get Media. And now we have that media element as a part of our project. And all we have to do is go and drag and drop it onto the timeline. And once we do that, now we have this video from Code Babes. It's some good-looking girl that talks about how you should be doing. Like I said, it's a pretty fun video. You want two videos there. I don't like this girl anymore that much. Well, now we just minimized her and we put her in the corner. And we can have two videos playing at the same time. And if we want to minimize her even more, we can do that as well. If we want to put her inside of this tablet, then we as well, and we can have multiple simultaneous videos. Like I said, showing you the 360 side, it gets pretty impressive. And then if I want to turn off her audio, I select off. And if I just don't like her anymore, I'm just going to delete her. And she's gone. And that's how easy it is to play with these media elements within this entire video editor. Now, let's go ahead and let's take this to the next level. How do you actually do the personalization? Well, under elements, we have, for example, personalized text. And so we can drag and drop personalized text in there. And if we want to, for example, personalize something, then we can select from first name. We could select last name, email, geo-country, geo-city, geo-state. We have custom, like the keywords that we were showing you, name, all of these things in person. personalized for now within your videos, and every single person then has a completely different different story. And if we do on, for example, the first name, and we have a fallback value of friend in case we just don't have that person's first name, we select add, and there it is right in the middle of the video. Now, the other thing is, how do we do the custom keyword personalization? We'll check it out. It's easy, right? We just have it here. We just drag and drop personalized text right there, and we have all of those elements there. And it's very simple to do. Now, what about if we want to put an image in there? Okay. What about if we do that? Well, let's go ahead and select image. Now, what about if we want a drop mock image? Let me go ahead and show you how that would work. Now, I have, for example, this a couple of things, right? For example, I have this drop mock one right here. And let's say I wanted to integrate it into Video Remix. Well, what am I going to do? Just going to drag and drop it in there. And now I have my drop mock image, my drop mock asset, a part of that video. And I can go ahead and also, let's say I want to make it smaller, I can do that as well. Now, you want to check out something really cool? Taking it to the next level with Lee and with drop mock, and this is what we wanted to do. So we didn't want just that you have to take all your assets from drop mock. You got to download it to your hard drive, then you got to upload it to Video Remix. Check this out. So we're completely integrated with drop mock. Do you know your My Drive within drop mock? People familiar with how things are stored within drop mock? Yes? Give me a yes if you know what I'm talking about. Well, everything is fetched. All of your assets, all of your elements are fetched from drop mock. And so if I want to select one, then I do that, and I can then use it as one of my assets within Video Remix to create these very cool very cool projects on this end. So what I want to do now is show you a few more things, and we have images. I showed you on the personalized image side how all of that works as well. And so that, for example, the Neil Napier example, you have all those things. There's loop, skip, pause, and additionally, if you know what lower thirds are, if you've ever seen the news, then you understand what lower thirds are. You can go ahead and integrate different lower thirds into your project. So if I select right there, Ignite Dark, then I can have a clickable call to action integrated and personalized right within that video. So hopefully, if you think that's pretty cool, then let me know, because what I want to do is I want to take you through a few more examples. All right, and for example, let's go ahead and let me example to real client. Now, Ross, and this case study that that was done with Ross. Now, Ross, when he saw, first of all, drop mock, he was absolutely amazed, and he actually closed a $1 deal because of drop mock. But after he did that, he then saw Video Remix. And so he said, oh, this is amazing, and I can sell it to potential clients. Let me go ahead and let me try to walk into Domino's, and let's see what they say if they like video personalization. And so when he showed video personalization to the operations manager, what he said, he was good to go, right? Worked like a charm, got really excited, and so he went back and he used the drop mock, and he used assets from within drop mock, picked a drop mock scene template, and then he also integrated it. I'll show you. This is another one on the video side, right? This is an additional drop mock one. And he then integrated it into Video Remix and created this really cool pizza project that is now being delivered for Domino's. And I think everyone here has heard of Domino's, so you know that it's a relatively big deal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, this is not the final version of that project, but this is a very cool one. So if you go to videoremix.io/pizza, okay, videoremix.io/pizza, then I will send that to you, and you can check it out. And this is the live, well, it's in draft mode still. It's not completely finished, but you could see right here video remix and this personalized video that is a part of this. All right. So that's the Ross example. Now, what I want to show you 360, but before, let me show you this. This is one of my personal favorites. And if you still haven't kind of figured out how you can monetize this, well, check this out. Just within Facebook, you could go pretty viral. Oh, and by the way, maybe I forgot to say, but yes, we do integrate these personalized videos into Facebook. All right, so just FYI. And let's go ahead and let's check out an example so you could see how that works. So if we go to videoremix.io/Forbes, and this is one that I want every single person to go to, and go ahead, and if you can like it, if you can share it, then it would be very appreciated, and I'm going to be very, very happy, and then maybe I'll do something special as well. So go ahead and go to videoremix.io/Forbes. It's videoremix.io/Forbes, and let's check out this example together, okay? So right here, if you click on the Forbes image, make sure you click on that Forbes image, and let's start checking it out. All right, click on that Forbes image and let's check it out. All right, and let me know once you are there so that I can make sure that you are watching that video, because this is an important one for every single person to see. And the next thing you'll notice is, number one, of course, my name is right there in the middle of the video. But the cooler part is your image is as well weaved in to that video story, a part of that video story, completely right within Facebook, so that these videos can be viewed right within Facebook. So if you saw that, let me know. Give me a 1 if you saw yourself in the middle of Forbes being making only $1 million a week. I know it's not that much, but hopefully you'll improve and make a little more than $1 million a week. But if you saw yourself, let me know. I hope you like that, because like I said, this is one of my favorite examples. And if we look at some of these viral case studies, this is our cannabis campaign, and this cannabis campaign went viral. This one, it went literally within 36 minutes, 800 people were reached, and you can understand how these campaigns go viral, because people go absolutely crazy over them when they start seeing, for example, with the Forbes one, they see themselves on the cover of Forbes, and they're pretty exciting campaigns. Now, this one, at the end, there was an affiliate link in one of the campaigns, and we've done multiple cannabis ones, and then within 1 hour, over 1,200 people were reached, and then within 18 hours, over 3,000. So if I go right here to videoremix.io/seed, that's videoremix.io/seed, then I'm going to show you this one as well. And I click on right there, the cannabis, right in the middle of that, and I will show you that campaign in just 1 second. So I'm going to select play, and this one is cool because it has, of course, once again, my name weaved into the story, your name weaved into the story. Also, my image weaved into the story, but towards the end, it even has geolocation. Now, the big thing, let me ask, okay? Let me ask, did you have to opt in anywhere when these videos were personalized right within Facebook? Did you opt in anywhere at all? Okay. I just want to let that sink in for a second. If you had to opt in anywhere at all, and I see everyone saying no, I see everyone saying nope, and that is the power, ladies and gentlemen. And you want to see it go to the next level? Let's go to videoremix.io/cozy. videoremix.io/cozy. And this starts going to remix.io to everyone. All right, and let me know once you're there. And then when we select play, check this out. All right, once again, you're weaved in to that story. But not only that, so is your geolocation. And right there, you're going to have your face weaved in to the story. And let me know once you're there. I want to make sure that you are there and you see this cozy example. And what I'm going to ask you, give me a 1 if you saw this cozy example. Give me a 1 if it's playing and you see all of that personalization. And let me ask you, ladies and gentlemen, once again, did you have to opt in anywhere at all? Let me ask you, did you have to opt in? And the cool part is not only did you not have to opt in, but this is not even within Facebook anymore. This is outside of Facebook. So when you have the power of video remix, and let's say you're doing retargeting campaigns, let's say you're pushing people through a funnel and you have an advanced funnel, then once they see one video remix video ever in their lives, all of the other ones are going to be personalized as well. And they're going to have a personalized video experience all throughout. And that's when it starts getting crazy. All right, that's when it starts going to the next level. Now, with that being said, normally I would end the session here. However, I want to go and show you some of the 360 things that we've been working on, because I into 360. And what we have here is the first ever 360 video editor. And if we go ahead and, for example, we look at one of these, this 360 real estate tour, we'll check it out. Okay. So not only can you do things on the personalization side, 60 videos, everything that I showed you, then you can do that as well. A 360 virtual tour. All right, and we want to go and real estate. Let me put real estate here. And we want to take, let's say, this one and then put it inside here. Where is this? Right here. Okay. Get media and then put them side by side. Or even if it's not side by side, but even if it's, let's say, right here, right within, okay, and multiple tours within each other, then we can do that. And both of them have 360 functionality. So if we want to do it side by side, like I said, we can do that. And we can edit these videos. We can put call to actions within them. we can mix and mash them, we can take this 360 video, shorten it, trim it, we can do whatever we want. We can turn off the audio on one of them, we can have only the audio on another, and this is, ladies and gentlemen, the first ever 360 video editor. Now let's check out an example. And this is a very cool example. And the reason I like this example is, and I'm going to send it out to everyone, is because it's also integrated with Dropbox. And this is a very cool template. If you're in one of the, if you're, for example, in the affiliate marketing niche, and the reason is you have the beautiful Laura. I hope everyone remembers Laura, but you have the beautiful Laura right there in the beginning, and then next thing you know, you're going to have a 360 video experience. So at the beginning, this is all Dropbox. These are assets from Dropbox, and then check it out. All right, we're going to jump into the 360 video. And with the 360 video, check this out, right? I can go ahead and I can experience what I want. All within that Video Remix video player, I can experience, and I can make it clickable in case I want to put an affiliate link to this actual game so that people can buy. And that is how you have 360 videos right within Video Remix. So if you thought that was pretty cool, let me know. I hope everyone is pretty excited about that, because what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and show you, ladies and gentlemen, if anyone wants to be a part of the Video Remix revolution, let me know. Give me a yes. I want to get some excitement going because I'm going to be able to do something very special for Lee's community. All right, so what I'm going to do is something extremely special for Lee's community. Now, what I want to introduce you to is Video Remix 360. Everything that you saw, meaning all of the 360 features, all of the personalization features, and a cloud-based video editor. So it's not and this is right here our Russian development team masterminding a lot of the things that are currently right within Video Remix, and that's Lee. Like I was saying, I spent some time with him in Manila, so we were talking about also this integration with Dropbox, making sure that everything is set up and integrated correctly. There's also an integration not only with Dropbox but also with Usign, and we currently, actually this is not up to date, we currently have users in over 600 cities. And if I were to go through all of these testimonials, we'd probably be here until the end of the day, because the feedback from every single person that has been incredible. And right now, when I talk about Video Remix, I'm not just talking about video personalization. Like I said, I'm talking about video editing, whether it's regular videos or it's 360 videos. Video personalization also, whether it's regular videos or 360 videos, everything is cloud-based, no long rendering time. So if you make an edit and you press save, it propagates to wherever your video is hosted if you use our platform to host it, or if you want to put it, let's say, inside of a lead page or anything like that, also with a couple of stunning templates. I'm talking about rapidly monetizing any video campaign in the product, affiliate, CPA, e-commerce, and local niche. No long rendering times, on-the-fly video edits, and integrations with all the top platforms, lead pages, Optimized Press 2.0, WordPress, Aweber, MailChimp, Infusionsoft, GetResponse, custom autoresponders, and SendLane as well in a very easy to use 3-step process. Import your media, personalize it, and then produce it. And produce it by sending it out via email. So integrated, like I said, with all the top autoresponders, or placing it right within social media, on your website, within Facebook, however you want to distribute those videos. Now the thing is, the thing is, a lot of people, they have these boring money back guarantees. I want to show you that we're extremely committed. And so what we're offering is a 150% money back guarantee. If you launch a campaign and it doesn't increase your conversions or your leads or your opt-ins, then we're going to give you 150% of your money back. Now, what I know is that no one's going to take me up on it. Because once they get inside a video remix and they see the power, actually, rather than the couple people that ended up getting a refund because they go and use the platform, there was one minutes after when, why do you actually want this? And it was already getting processed. He literally emailed us back begging to get back inside, and it was pretty crazy. But what I'm going to do, so the regular price, let me show you, the regular price, and don't go to this link, please do not go to this link just yet, is $497 per year. All right, the regular price is $497 per year. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something very special for Lee's community. And let's do it, I mean, there's about 80 people on here. And if we go to videoremix.io/live, you'll see those prices. What I'm going to do is for the first 10 people, I'm going to discount that by $100. So if you get 5 projects, you'll get in at $197 per year. If you get 10 projects, you'll get in at $297 per year. And if you get 50 projects, you'll get in at $397 per year. So let me go ahead and let me go into the back end because I need to do this manually right now. And additionally, for the first 10 people that get in at the 497 level, what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to do something cool, and I'm going to give you a special template. All right, and I'm going to give you like I said, a special template. I'm going to show that to you in just a couple of seconds, but please, like I said, please hold on. Do not go there just yet because it is not yet discounted. So I want to make sure that everyone gets the count in, and I'm changing the price right now, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what template. Now, number one, I'll give you. I'm going to give you that game template, that drop mock game template that I showed you, and I believe it should right now be updated. So let me just double check. Okay, perfect. So for the first 10 people that get in, you're going to get in at this special price, number one. And then number two, you're going to get a bonus. So the first thing, you're going to get that drop mock game template that I was showing you for the people that get in at the 50 project level. And what I'm gonna give you is another template that we literally just created. Okay, so let me know once you're in, and we're gonna be giving you these bonuses. Okay. All right, we're gonna be giving you these bonuses. Now let me go ahead and let me show you this right now. All right, perfect. So this is right here. This is a template that we just made. And Paula, yes, I will get you. I will get you that. Same thing with Keith and everyone else. All right, so. Let me show this to you. This is a template within the Teespring niche. So if you're selling T-shirts at all, then you're going to be able to use this. All right. So if you want to improve your Teespring campaigns and your other T-shirt campaigns, this is going to integrate personalization into these different into this video. So it's a really cool one, I think, because a lot of people I know are selling T-shirts, Like I said, it integrates all of this personalization in there. All right, so let's we will let you know on that end. Michael and Paula, just give us a couple of seconds. Geolocation as well. I will give you all of those links once you get in. So go ahead, videoremix.io/live. Let me know once you're in. Let me know. Give me an I'm in so that I can double check and I can make sure that you are getting set up correctly and you have all of these bonuses, okay? All right, perfect, great. I see that I see a couple people getting in, so I will get you all of these bonuses. This is going so I think these bonuses are going to be expired pretty soon. But once you do get in, let us know, and we will get you set up. Now, so this is the T-shirt template, and then additionally, this is the 360 template, and so you're going to get both regarding getting in at that 50 project level. And I believe the last time I checked, we have 4 bonuses remaining on that end. So if you do want to get in, probably get in sooner than later, and we will be giving those out in just a couple of minutes. All right, now Ava, and let's let's see. We're gonna figure something out on that end. Now, okay. So yeah, we're gonna get you set up. So Keith, Paula, and the others, we will be getting you set up, and I am very happy to get you in and have you a part of Video Remix. So let me make sure that everyone has all of these. Okay, perfect, perfect. So a couple people are still getting in. It looks like we still have 3. Okay, it does look like we still have 3 bonuses left. So my team is going to be getting you set up, and everyone else that's getting in, just let us know. Put an I'm in, and we will make sure that we can get you set up. Now, good question, Carl. So if you look, these are right. Create a new project. If you're going to be using this for personal use, then what I would say is what I would say is if you're going to be using it for personal use, then go ahead and depending on how many businesses and things like that, then it depends how many projects. If you're going to be using it with clients, you definitely want the 50 version level, okay? And for anyone that got in before, that you have the 50 that you, if not, if you want to upgrade to the 50 level, get those bonuses or something like that, let us know, okay? So for example, okay, Michael, perfect, we're going to get you set up. If you upgraded, we're going to get you set up. We're going to get you set up with the bonuses, okay? Okay, perfect. Now, Dan, I don't know what that is. All right, Charles, perfect. We're going to get you set up then on that end. Okay? Yeah, and let us know, Dan, where you see that. All right, so I think we're going to be out of bonuses in just probably very soon. I think we have 2 left. Is there anyone still on the edge that's considering getting in? Okay. Is there anyone that's still considering getting in? Let us know. and we can get you still set up. Derek, let's see. I don't know. So is your Derek, is your I don't know if there's some type of alternate. Okay, perfect, Tom. Did you just get in, or did you get in a couple minutes ago? Just so we know. Okay? All right. All right, Derek. Perfect. Let us know. Let us know. Okay. Okay. Now, Howard, there is always a way, and it's very reasonable to go and upgrade. So we're very reasonable on that. And if your business takes off, like I was showing you some of the pricing, I don't think it's going to be at all a problem regarding upgrading after that. Okay, so I don't think that should be a problem at all. All right, so let's let me see. And Howard, are you in or okay? So yes, charge 500. Yeah, yeah, Howard, that is good. And if your client is using it on a recurring basis, then because this is such new technology, you could even charge those levels on a per month basis as long as they're using that campaign over and over again. Let's say it's a personalized video project on their front page or on their home page. Yes. Okay. So now let me go ahead and and let's see on that side. Who else is kind of because we do still have those two bonuses left. Who else is on the edge? I see Howard. You said you're kind of on the edge. Who else? Anyone else on the fence? Let us know just so we can see if there is anyone else on the fence. All right. Okay. Cool, cool. So now, yeah, so now Michael, the integrations are pretty easy. Everything is integrated within the platform. And yeah, there is we do have tutorials. So for example, and I can show you probably some of those. We have this whole training section, and you can see everything here regarding integrations, how to crop, how to add, and it's also interactive. Check this out, right? So and interactive. It's pretty cool, I would say, on that front. All right, and you just go through it, and yeah, that's how all of that works. Now, so let's go ahead and let's see. I'm going to be upping the price in a couple of minutes. So is there anyone else that's still trying to get in? Just so I know, Howard, are you going to be, just so I know, let's see if there is anyone else as well, because we do still have those, like I was saying, there are still two bonuses on that side left. So if you want to get in, let us know, and we can get you set up on that side. Okay. Okay. Walt, why? Sure. Yeah, easy bail. Yeah, you can always yeah, you can always kind of delete and reuse if that's what you're looking to do. So yes, the answer is yes on that end. Yep. Yep. No, that counts as one. That counts as one easy bail. Okay? Okay. Okay, perfect. All right. Um so Alvin, on the drop mock side, let me see potential. Let me I can find something. Um, Trying to figure it out. Maybe, but I don't know. I can't find it. I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, try this. Okay, Alvin, try that if you're interested. Derek, can you send, I don't know, PayPal to PayPal or no? Okay, all right. So, so Howard, are you going to be getting in Easy Bail as well? Are you in? Just so we know before we start before we up this. I understand Derek on your end. I understand. Okay. Okay. All right. Perfect. So let's go ahead and let's up this price, and we could take it to wait. Let's go ahead and let's up this price. Now, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So Howard or anyone will kind of last chance, because once I hit save, then it's gonna be upped on that side. Okay? All right, perfect. And I appreciate that, Carl. All right, so what I want to also show you is there is an upgrade, and so what we're doing is, if you want to get additional templates, and I highly recommend this. I think everyone, pretty much like 80% of the people that get in end up getting this upgrade. And the reason is because you get all these templates and you get them on a monthly basis. It's only an additional, I'll tell you right now, but it's only an additional $47 a month. It's not much at all, and you're going to be getting also additional features like the Clipit audio recording integration, the Adobe Scene Creative Editor, GeoIP, additional views and things like that, and the templates. The biggest part is the templates. So, and the other thing is, if you do get in, regarding that, I will give a bonus. Let's do it for the first 3 people that get in. And if you don't have templates and you're already a video remix user, then let me know, because what we will do is we will give you one of these real estate bonuses. I'm going to give you one of these 360 templates that you can use within, and it's going to be for the first 3 people. And like I said, even if you don't have templates just yet, but you're already a video remix user, then you could still get it, and I will still get you set up on that end regarding, and then you can get that special bonus as well. So for the first 3 people. Now, a couple people are asking for the link. I will give that to you so that you can have it, and let me know if you're going to be getting in. Okay, Alvin, perfect. Okay, let me get you that. We could probably check out Michael and Paula. We can probably check out if you have the upgrade, and we'll let you know. Okay, so I'll have my team get that for you, and I think it's under the. And okay, so okay, perfect. So we have, let me go double check on that end, how many of those bonuses are left regarding that. Okay. All right, perfect, perfect. Now, additionally, yeah, Paula, you're fine. It's in your account. Okay? It is in your account. I can confirm that it is in your account. All right, so we have, I don't know if the templates are. Did you get the template upgrade? I just want to make sure. And we're going to be giving out the bonus in just a couple of seconds, just so you know. Now, so let me know, is there anyone else that wants to that's going to be getting in for that upgrade? Okay, cool. Now, what I want to ask is, let's see, Paula, we're gonna check for you. So we're gonna see if you do have the upgrade, and we're gonna let you know in just a minute or so. But yeah, in the meantime, I saw a couple people asking about it. Hey, Adam, are you there? Just want to see if you're there.
Hey, Eric.
Okay, so I saw a couple people. I saw a couple people asking about this, and so maybe you want to cover it. I didn't want to kind of get into this because I know people already got quite a bit, and but maybe if you want to talk about the 360 course, let's see if people are interested in it. We could take it from there.
Interested in learning, start using 360? Give me a yes if you are. Because if you are, then we can go into it. We can talk about really learning how to use detail. That may be good. So let me just see how many yeses do we have. All right, guys. Yeah. So give me a yes right now. Okay. Give me a yes if you are excited about learning about the opportunities to go with 360. How you can start using 360 in your local market to start landing deals right away. Give me a yes if you are. All right, guys. Perfect. I see quite a few yeses coming through. So, guys, when it comes to 360, okay, when it comes to 360, what it is it's going down and figuring out a way to get started. Now, that's the biggest thing. That's the biggest challenge that you experience is what do I have to do in order to start becoming a true master in my area where I can start going out, start using 360 videos and start leveraging success. And right there, this is where 360 video comes into play because let me see, Eric, do you mind if I grab the screen from you for just 2 seconds so I can show
Should
what
I?
360
Yeah, I'll make you the
do?
presenter.
All right, thank you.
Go ahead.
All right, perfect, guys. So right here, what you can see right here is you are going to see the three. So right here, this is our landing page that you can create. And inside the 360 video, inside 360 course, we talk about how to start using pages and how to start going out into your local market to start dominating. Now, what you can see right here, and Eric, did you already show this video before? Are you there? Perfect.
I
Did you
don't
already
think
show this?
so.
Okay,
No, I
perfect.
didn't. Oh, I forgot about that one. Yeah, go
So,
ahead.
guys, let me see. So, somebody give me a first name, a last name, and an email right now, just so I can show you what happens with 360 video and what the potential is for going out and using 360 video right now. So, guys, first name, last name, and an email address so I can plug it in and I can show you just what a 360 video is capable of doing, okay? And perfect. Okay, great. So let me use Paula's information. Okay, perfect. Let me see. So Paula, I see that you were the last person to comment. So let me say Paula, Slavin, and then let me see. Do I have one? Oh, okay. Here they come in now. Sorry, I'm a little bit delayed because I am currently. All right, there we go. So McRae. So we have Connor McRae at Walter or Walt McRae 2014 at gmail.com. All right, perfect. So once I select watch video, what's now going to occur is we are going to see a personalized 360 video. And this is very, very powerful because understanding how to create these videos is what's going to help drive your success. And right here, what you're seeing is you're seeing the video loading. It's taking that information and it's placing it inside of the video. Now, the video may look a little, let me see, hopefully it comes out correctly. All right, perfect. There we go. So you're going to see Walter's name inside of the video, okay? And then going through and using the 360 is right here. I can go look up the left-hand side of the stairs. I can look down, I can look right on the espresso machine, and I can scroll over as fast as I want. I can look up at the ceiling, and I can scroll through. Now, creating these 360 videos is the challenge, and it's going out and getting started using these 360 videos. So if you want to be able to go out and start creating 360 videos right now, guys, give me a yes if you want to have the ability. If you want to know what cameras to use, if you want to know what the full potential is of 360 videos, guys, give me a yes right now if you want to go through and see. All right, perfect. I see quite a few yeses coming through. So Eric, what we can do, and I'm going to let you decide what is best option right now, because Video Remix, guys, has so much potential to it, and I saw a whole bunch coming out. So, Eric, what do you want to do for everybody that does want to get into the 360 course?
Um, what we can do is, yeah, why don't, so we have a very cool real estate now. I know we already gave out some templates, but why don't we give out a very real estate template plug and also access to the Facebook group.
Okay, perfect. That sounds very good to me. So, Eric, do you want to take over the screen as I see my screen starting to slow up just a little bit just because of where I am right now? So, um,
Yeah, I can do
perfect.
that. And do you, in the meantime, want to go ahead and so yeah, I can do that. I can show my screen and what I will show as well. If you can go ahead and drop that link, let's only do it for well, number one, what's the regular price is we're gonna reduce that price for people just a little bit as well because so I know and I wanna make this special for people. So let's go ahead and the price is 497 because I know people here are pretty loyal from our community. We'll take it down to 197 on that end, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna save it. Let's only do that for the first, I don't know, let's say 3 people, and same thing with the real estate template. And do you think you can go ahead and put the link in to the chat box for everyone so that they can have it? I just saved it on that price side so that people can get in for 197. let's go ahead and let's do that. Yes, desea man, yes, that is, and we can get you hooked up with that as well. All right, so let us know. Let us know on that side. Let's go ahead and let's put it into the chat box. And if not, I can go ahead and I can get that link in. Let's see. One second. I'm gonna go. Okay, I found the link right here. All right. So for the first 3 people, it's videoremix.io. That's videoremix.io/re funnel. But, okay, don't
Hey,
go there
Eric, it's a
yet.
different hold on, it's a different
Don't,
one. I
no,
think
sorry.
that's
No, wrong link. Wrong link.
hold on, I got
That,
it
do
right here.
not
Okay.
go there.
Guys, I'm sending it out right now. It is videoremix.io/360 course, okay? That is the link right there. I'm sending this out to everybody right now, where you can go in and you are going to be able to access this. So guys, let me send out this link. So it's videoremix.io/360 course, okay? So let me send this over.
Okay, I sent it out to everyone as well. And you should see that discount there, okay? You should see that discount there. All right, and once you're in, let us know and I will get you as well. I will get you that bonus so that you can have it. All right, perfect. So I see a couple people, Alvin, Joy. Let's see who the third person is going to be. And then we're gonna get you set up, and yeah, that'll be it. Then we'll be wrapping it up. Michael, yeah, we can do something. Yeah, can you give me a second, Michael? Just give me a second, and I will. Yeah, I'll do something for you on that side. Okay. All right. So Michael, is there you go. But let me know once that's done. Once that is done, and then just because I have to, just give me 1 second, Michael, okay? Okay. All right, perfect. All right, so yeah, on that front, cool. So I see that we have, okay. Um, I see we still have one left regarding the bonus, regarding the 360 bonus. So if anyone is interested in taking that, otherwise, yeah, we'll wrap it up and we'll just take it from there. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. So let me get you that bonus as well. And okay. 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 Sure. That's fine. All right. Thank you. Perfect, Michael. Perfect. Great. Should I give that to everyone as well for Alvin and because I want to get Alvin what we promised. And okay, okay. All right, so we're going to be increasing the price on that. So let me know, is anyone still trying to get in or no regarding 360? Because we'll give it last chance. Okay, let's ends, and then we're going to be increasing that side. Okay. All right, so just doing that, and we'll go ahead and we'll up that, and then we'll take it from there. But all right, thank you so much. Let's see, are there any other questions before we wrap this up? Just so I know. Anyone missing anything? Just want to see on that side, because once we, just so we know on that end, and then we can, okay, that should be 497 now. All right, perfect. And Desaman, did you? Yes. Okay. Let me know. Let me know on that side. Just because we're just so, yeah, just so I know, Desaman on that side. Okay. Now, now, additionally, so I think everyone should be in video remix. I think everyone should be. Okay, okay, no worries. All right, well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, guys. Have a great rest of your day. It was a pleasure. And thank you again. I'm able to do this. All right, take care and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.